Hello everyone and welcome to CXO Insights. I'm joined by Louise Bou Rached from Milestone Systems. Welcome, Louise.
Thank you.
So Louise, from Milestone's perspective, what value does AI bring in terms of, turning video data into real-time actionable insights?
So first and foremost, Milestone, we're a data-driven video company, and basically our platform allows a lot of, I would say, flexibility and the combination of best-of-breed technology that will help companies and our customers across industries to leverage on future-proof solutions. And to be future-proof nowadays, we have to adapt to the AI revolution. And we were actually pioneered with our Hafnia project and the visual language model in wanting to turn all this data and all this video into actually faster data insight that will move us into faster decision making. And this is where you refer to as having deeper insight into what is really happening on site with the video. So with our visual language model, we are basically supporting to trim down hours and hours of video into something more of a, I would say, faster decisions that we'll be giving to our operators or to our customers in terms of business intelligence as well.
Great, thank you so much for that. And then beyond security, what value does video bring in terms of making cities smarter and safer?
Specifically for cities, honestly, the use cases are endless, and especially being here in UAE and in the region where government and are really extensively working on turning the city safer and smarter. So by using not just the video, I would say, also the IoT sensors around it, there's the amount of data that can be used and translated into areas and use cases that can help urban cities, that can help with the, let's say, if we look specifically into traffic, on how to manage the traffic flow, how to even predict congestion, how to predict accidents and prevent them as well. So there's a lot of areas where video can really help support into all these initiatives with smart cities. And I just gave you one example.
Okay. And can you talk to me a little bit more about Milestone's AI and video summarization tools? So how do these tools help operators, act faster at the city scale?
Actually, I tapped on it just earlier because we're obviously excited a lot about just having released it. Just a little bit of background on this project. It's been in the making for quite some time, and along with NVIDIA being our partner on this, we have started the first, if you want to look at it in a simplified way, the first data library. So imagine you're going into a library with all the amount of data that is there, but we're doing it the same for video. And we're using this responsible and curated data to support all the AI models to learn and train. At the end of the day, all of the AI or the analytics based on AI as well needs to learn the behavior and from this behavior, the more accurate it gets the results will get more accurate. So with this, we're very proud to have launched it, being the pioneers in the market for doing that. And with specifically the XProtect summarization model is about turning all of this data into text and in a much faster way. So basically it gives the description of whatever just happened or whatever the incident is going to happen into a textual that is much easier for our customers and operators to read through. That's one part of it. And the second part is also the VLL, the visual language model as a service to our technology partners. Remember, our key point at Milestone is that we are an open platform, and then we allow all of our technology partners with their own technologies to add more value by bringing their technologies and supporting it. So with this visual language model as a service, we are supporting them with our API, and then they get their engine to learn on all of this data, and at the same time get their technologies and their services a lot more accurate.
And then looking ahead, what else can we expect from Milestone Systems, especially here in the region?
Yeah. Well, in terms of the region, first looking specifically to the region is obviously the investments we are bringing in. I mean, UMDIA reports it. It's not that we want to say, but UMDIA reports that Milestone is the leader in the video management platform in the region, and that's of course is supporting us to even fuel more in terms of presence and more people on the ground. So we are growing the teams by more than 25% between last year and this year. So we have more Milestoners, and we are expanding in terms of offices in Saudi. We just on Thursday we will also inaugurate our new our look and feel experience center that translates the technology, I would say, innovations that this region requires.
Great. Thank you so much for your time
Thank you.
today, Lou.